Let's hit the market and look for some rides.
Who's the Elvis fan?
I've got tons of it, buddy. I got 400 pieces of it.
Macho Man.
Actual probably, it's
Everything here is dirt cheap.
it's an actual head, man, and
Alright.
it's about like that.
Joker ride.
I learned that lesson the hard way.
Oh, let's see what else he got down in there. What's he got on there things?
It says 20, but I don't know.
I don't know. He said dirt cheap is what he was saying. What's that one? Oh,
Doomsday. That's pretty cool.
yeah. There's your rocking rides. Cheapo's $10. I don't know about some of them. How much are your cars?
Those are, I'll take $2 for a piece for them.
$2 a piece. Okay.
If they got 10 on them, they're 2. If they got 20 on them, they're 5.
Okay.
All right.
These $1 too?
Everything.
Okay.
See anything you want?
Nah, probably not. Let's see that. Hot Wheels. Oh, they got another box over here too.
What is that?
There's another box of cars right here.
Is there? Okay.
They're DC Comics. They're really good cars.
There's a few more. Got a rewinder. It's one of them rewinders.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, it looks like that Corvette I got.
There's some good ones in there that they're say 20, they're 5.
Yeah.
The Blu-rays are $2 each.
Look at that little thing.
Oh, that's cool.
Little bitty truck. Ain't that old? Oh. Another one. Batmobile. That toaster. Hey, hun. Rhonda. Come here a minute. Look, that's got a toaster. A little toast. We got a Macho Man in here somewhere. He got his arms cut off. That's that Batmobile, ain't it? I think that's that newer one. That's an older one, but that thing's $12 pieces. He's got the cars, huh? Oh, look, he's got the grave diggers and stuff. He's always got some kind of ride stuff going on.
Be $1.
Those are cool.
Yeah. I'll send some in the mail to we just got back from Indiana and took a bunch of them up there. How much are they?
$1 a piece.
You buy them for Mason? That's something.
This one's cool.
That's pretty.
About the one in the back too? It's $1 too.
Oh, that back here?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that.
Mm-hmm. Get that if you need. Look at that one too. That's pretty
That
cool.
one is cool too.
Get my grave digger.
Always a grave digger.
I got too many toys at the house. I
Here's
got about
another grave digger.
10 of them big blue toastful jars.
Oh yeah. How much you want on that?
Quarter.
Quarter. I'll throw that in there too.
Got 'em.
There's a Hot Wheels one.
It's a quarter.
That's cool.
7 1/4.
Okay.
Yeah, just put them all in there.
You just want more?
Yeah, just get them all.
Okay. Yes.
You don't think you want that. That's broke right there.
Oh. Okay.
I'm giving these little ones.
Do this. Okay.
Let's go in here and see what Ralph's got. Hot Wheels Boulevard. How you doing?
He's like, you going to that high school reunion? I'm like, no, I don't want to see them people 30-some years later.
Some Lucy's.
I'm not liking nobody, but, you know, I don't want to dress up. And people are so judgmental when you go to your family reunions. Like, look at her. Look how she turned out, you know. Ain't none of your business, right?
You got the little people. Bigfoot Customs. I've never seen these.
But you had people from all over the place, stuff like that. Found this, my best, and stuff like that. I think the
Got some
75 Pintos and driving
back on
with my cousins, stuff like that. We talked to some little stuff like
the
that.
DeLorean. There's the Barbie ride.
But you still
Got
think
one in
no
there.
matter what you drive, what you got,
Yeah, I said, you done well.
that's good for you.
Let's go home and go paint.
Nah, you stay a while.
Here's
See
them
you
trucks that
later.
we just picked up, love. Here's them little trucks that we just picked up. Where's Ralph at?
Amy had to work today,
Huh?
so he's there with Jean, her aunt.
Oh, okay.
He was supposed to work today, and then he texted me last night and asked me if I come out here today.
Getting the Barbie ride there.
I didn't know he had
I
that.
can't find them things nowhere. I asked him about bringing some.
The van Barbie thing up there.
You got the van too?
Yeah, it's up here. It's up there.
They got a van for. Oh, that's a different one there than I was thinking about. Huh. I've never seen that one either. They've got a different one though. The older van I've seen that's actually put like them Hot Wheels ones over there.
Everybody's so excited over at Barbie news.
Yeah.
Frightening
I
lightning.
can't. I mean, we have granddaughters, but I don't know that I can get into the Barbie movie.
I have granddaughters too, but they none of them wanted to go see it.
No. Nobody. Yeah, none of ours.
Ooh, another Batmobile.
God.
That one's different.
I used to love to go out to the movie theaters back in the 80s.
Mm-hmm.
But now that they're all closed in and all the, nah, I don't care for that.
Dodge Viper.
I get claustrophobic and stuff. I just,
Hmm.
I think
Not
it's
a
this
gasser.
size, isn't it? Yeah.
Yeah, it should be them.
How many you want?
5. Silverado. That's nice. Oh, Cyclone.
It was so cold here this morning, I left the door open.
Jurassic World stuff. I haven't seen too many of them. Boy, they got that music blasting out there, don't they? Cop cars. Oh Lord, I gotta get down on this gravel. Ask him how much on his cars. Little, that's a DeLorean. Little bitty cars.
There he comes. There's the one right there. My boy, that's my son.
Gotcha, thank you. He said
Whoa.
that's you on these cars.
Little cars here.
Huh?
How much on your little cars?
We'll do 2 for $1.
2 for $1. Okay.
Unless we'll buy the whole thing and then we'll work out something.
Alright. Gravel is eating my knee out of pieces. How much would you do on the whole thing then?
What would you say? 50 cars? 40 cars?
$15?
I was gonna say 18, but would you do 16?
Yeah. You got change?
Yeah.
You want the tote?
Yeah. Okay.
Well, we bought a ton. A bunch of loose stuff. Gonna split up between me and the boys. Some stuff I picked up at Ralph's. And of course, them monster trucks. Let's go back to the crib and show you what we got. All right, we got a few bags here to go through. Rouse is going to roll them on. Well, that one looked like it's got a broken axle. We got a few rides here. These Monster Jam monster trucks. There's one right there. Got a grave digger. Looks like I don't know. His axle might be kind of messed up too. We got
There's another one, but boys are
that
fun
one's
anyways.
yeah. Boys will probably tear them up anyway half the time. Might have to bend some of them. This one right here, check him out. Right now we got 2 of him.
Yeah. Oh, we do?
I think so, and that's like a yeah, well, that's different. It's got different seats and stuff.
Okay.
That's pretty cool. That's him back here. This one right here. Sudden impact. A lot of damn wheels on these things though. You gotta bend them in a little bit. This one right here. I don't know what the heck that is.
I don't know. It's kind of cool.
It's like a wolf.
Maybe.
This one too. This is some of these tires you gotta pop back into place there a little bit. Check that one out.
The boys know how to do that.
Yeah, they'll be mad. This one was really wild.
This one is too.
Looks like a dragon. Got the yellow under the bottom. Plenty of these. And this one right here, that's I don't know what the heck that is either. Got purple tires on that one. This one was pretty cool too. Scoot them back a little bit. And this one right here. Earth Shaker, is that what that one says? Yeah, almost every one of these tires are like almost trying to come off the rim. But kids had them and played with them, so that's why. This one's Blue Thunder. It's pretty pimp. Slide them back a little bit. This one's really nice, and that one's too the same way. Look, all the
Just have to
time.
pop them back in.
Just got to pop all the tires back in.
Jackson can.
There's a Hot Wheels one. Here's a little one. This is a lot smaller El Toro. And he also had this, and I threw this in for $1. This is a stomper. I collect these too. If you want to see a video on them, they're not die cast, but they're plastic. And this is from, I think, should be around 80 something. Maybe the early 90s. I can't remember exactly. But yeah, I got a few of these. And I don't think I got this one. And if I do, oh well, because I'm not going to pass on a stomper while I'm out. This one I'm definitely keeping. Got to fix the wheels on this one myself. This was a Hot Wheels one. But yeah, kids play with these, and good Lord, look at that one.
Pop it back in, Mommy.
Pop that one back in here. Well, mess with them here in a little bit. I ain't never seen none where the wheels are almost popped out, but that one's really nice. Hot Wheels one, so that one's definitely going to stay with me. And the Stomper one. All right, another guy, as you saw, he had some cars for $1. I think this is, this is a Batmobile. This is the newer Batmobile. Don't have it on card or anything, but for loose, for $1, I picked it up. And he had this nice vet right here. Look at the wheels on that one, baby. Let's watch him roll in. It's pretty cool. I like the ones from the, even though this is, looks like it might have paint on it. I just now noticed that. Might have to try to get that gray paint off or anything. But he did have these two little cool little things. These little trucks. The big windshields. Blue and green. That's the first things I picked off of them. So these are kind of new actually. These are, I've seen them on card and stuff. Ralph has a few of them in his shop. So these were loose, of course. But so I grabbed them, and the next guy we picked up quite a bit. Rhonda's got a big old bag over there. We're gonna go through these.
You want to do these?
Oh yeah, I forgot. These were from the same guy that had the monster trucks. His name's Tim. He had some vintage rides for me. He had some Woodies.
Those are from '79.
Yeah, these are the older ones you can see because of the logo on them. See the logo right there where it just says Hot Wheels? Okay, look at the bottom of that one. Where the other Hot Wheels. That doesn't say it either, but some of them not always Hot Wheels. But anyway, the other one has the actual flame and stuff in it and has it there. So these are two cool Woodies. Yeah, them are the newer ones in the last, I don't know how many years. The wheels kind of jammed on this one, but it is a vintage ride. So we'll put these over to the side. I'm definitely keeping those. What do we got here? This is a
Hard to read, man.
Nova. This is a Hot Wheels. Some of them might not be Hot Wheels. That one's pretty sweet.
This says 96.
Yeah, here's another one. This one is Plymouth. No hood on that. I like this one too. This is a Ford Falcon race car. I think that's what that said, yeah. So this is a police car. Check this police car out. It's like a lowrider. Yeah, that was a police car, but it's like a lowrider. Of course, I like police cars, so definitely keeping that one. But we'll just put them over here. We'll go through them here in a little bit. Now, this is DeLorean. Check him out. This is the first one I picked up, and I thought, you know, heck, I might just get a few cars. Because he said, what did he say, 2 for $1 at first? And then Rhonda said, well, hell, just buy the whole damn thing. So we ended up buying the whole thing. So we don't know how many cars we got for $16. He said 18, I said 15. He said, okay, 16. That's cool. So we'll set that there. Here's a taxi. Pretty nice. There's a race car here. This is a 56. Yeah, 56 Chevy. Duh, it's got the number right on it. Here's you another ride. Looks like a Monte Carlo. Yeah, it is. 1970 Monte Carlo. And some of these, like I said, they might not actually be Hot Wheels. They might be something else, but that is a Hot Wheels there.
Yeah, some of these are not, but they're pretty cool.
I like this one too. This one's pretty sweet. There's a Pontiac here. Yeah, that's pretty nice.
You can load a car up on it.
This is a loader right here. Got a car on it there. Why'd you make that sound for?
I don't know.
Here's a Jimmy Johnson.
Jimmy Johnson.
Yeah, it got SpongeBob on it. Race
that
car.
We like Jimmy Johnson.
I was getting ready to say, what were you getting so crazy with that one for? Now don't let him get a sneak peek. You gotta get him over here. There's another, what's this? Another looking, some of them's hard to see. This is a cougar right here. The blue cougar. Got that nice blue. You roll in the Jeep here. There's another Jeep. See what this one is.
Here's our Dale Jr.
Yeah, that's a Earnhardt one here. That's a nice little truck. I think I've got this one. This is a Dale Jr. Or no, it's a Dale Earnhardt Coca-Cola ride. I think I got it already. So that'll go to the boys. Check this thing out. Oh Lord. It's pretty cool. That one's got skulls and everything on it. That's pretty cool. You're getting too far ahead here, Yev. Scooting the stuff in here. Okay, here we go. Some kind of foreign car right here.
Ooh, Cody will like this one.
She said Cody will like this one. That's another, that's a Chevelle 64.
Yeah.
That one's got some paint wear on top of it. I'll make room for her. Check this one out. Race ride right there. You counting them up, see how many we got?
No.
Yeah. Somebody liked a lot of these Chevelles. We got a few of them. The purple one. This is pretty nice. Little roadsters. Oh, that one's got rubber wheels on it. Sorry guys, but probably gonna have to keep that one because it's got some rubber wheels on it. I like rubber wheels. I wish they made them all with rubber wheels nowadays. That would be sweet. Here's a Mopar, baby, Dodge.
We have 60 cars here.
60 cars. Now he said 50 at first, and then he said maybe 40 cars, but we ended up with 60. Dodge Challenger drift car. That rolls pretty good.
This one's kind of cool.
And somebody like Plymouths too. Now that's pretty nice. Little worldwide wrapping delivery, it says. That's something different. I'll roll it around, check it out. There's another wild looking ride. Check that wheel out. Whee!
Oops.
That's pretty nice. Ooh, look at this one. Another one of them Monte Carlos. Somebody liked Monte Carlo too. It's the 80s style there though. Rhonda's over here dropping them now. Got the Hemi going right there, baby. Another one of them Mopar ones, just like that one. This is the orange one. A lot of Hot Wheels. I mean, really, I think almost everything. There might be a few other ones in here. Look at this one. That one's sweet. Mooney's something on it. Here's another one. What is this? What does it say? That rolls pretty good too. What do we got here? Doesn't say on it. Get into focus there. There's a gasser. I don't know if I've got one like this. This is a gold one. There's a vet. Just never know what you get in these things. I mean, you could probably go every week and get bags of loose cars like this if you're willing to wheel and deal a little bit. There's a Mustang GT. Sparkle paint on that one. This is one of them fantasy rides. Look at that one. Speaking of a fantasy ride, good lord, it looks like a jet or some kind of weird looking thing. There's another one of them. And oh, this is a 3-wheel here. Look at this. This one you can see through. Looking fantasy ride. There's a few of them in here. There's a gold one. $60 for $16. Can't go too bad with that. Here you go. Now, this one's sweet. Look at that. What is that in here? The BMW. Another one of them fantasy rides. I think we already picked up 2 or 3 of these. It's another one of them. Hell, I can't even read the bottom of that one. Charger there. Yeah, it's a Charger. One of the El Caminos were looking rides there, ain't it? Oh, look at the red one, Plymouth. Rhonda's just rolling them on in here. What this one is. This one just says Fast Fish on it. That right there. Here's another green one. Focus. Somebody did like, oh, there's an Impala. That's pretty sweet. Like the color on that one. Here's another Charger. And a race car here. So I think we did pretty daggone good for what we paid. Real good deal to get that many cars. There's a truck. It's a newer, looks like a Suzu or something, Mitsubishi truck. Another one of these. We got a somebody sure liked these. And this one here, Mustang. And here we go with another Charger. No, that's a Gran Torino. So yeah, all this. Well, the monster trucks were $1 a piece, but all these cars, 60 of them for $16. Now let's show you what I got at Ralph's. Yeah, now this, we got some cases, of course, some things I want to keep in packs. These are $1 a piece. Got 5 of them. First up, 67 Pontiac right here with the flames, baby, 50th anniversary. And we got the 70 Chevelle wagon. All these came from Ralph's little setup there at the flea market. Picked me up a truck, a newer truck here, 99 Ford Lightning, little gold one. This one came out in 2020. And we got a Golf ride here, a 68 Nova. Been looking, trying to get some of these. There's about 10 of these altogether. And then we got another DeLorean. Like we said, we actually had the movie DeLorean one. This is a DMC DeLorean. This is just a plain blue DeLorean car that came out from the 80s one. And then we got this truck. This is nice. 2020 when this one came out. GMC Cyclone. I just bought one of these, one of the premium rides here recently, so I like them kind of trucks there. Next up, we have the 70 Plymouth Roadrunner. I like the yellow and the black. And next up, we got another truck, 83 Chevy Silverado. I don't know, Silverado? How did I say that? A little low rider there. And we got the Batmobile, another one. This one just says Batmobile on it. I don't know, there's so many different ones of them. I like my Batmobiles. And last, we finally found the Barbie ride. Can't find it in my store, or Walmart, or the other Walmart. But we found it at old Ralph's. Yeah, we paid them $3, but some of these are going for $10 or $12, $15 online, so I give him $3 for this 56 Corvette. Barbie the movie. Definitely won't open this one, keep it in the card. So that's it from the flea market, Hunt and Haul. Yeah, get some feedback on what you think of what I got. I got a good deal on some loose rides and some carded rides, and just tell me what your favorite is. Remember to comment, subscribe, like, do all that good stuff.